Welcome back to ABIEdu Academy. Today we're building something every entrepreneur and business student needs, a winning business plan. Structured as a PowerPoint presentation you can pitch to investors, lenders, or your professor. We'll walk through the deck slide by slide in the exact order the sections should appear. Let's get started. Slide 1. Your title and introduction. Keep it clean. Business name, logo, a one-line tagline, your name, and the date. Then a short introduction slide, who you are and what your business does in a single sentence. If you can't explain your business in one sentence, you're not ready to pitch it. Next, the executive summary, a one-slide snapshot of the entire plan, the problem, your solution, the market size, how you'll make money, and what you're asking for. Many investors decide in this one slide whether to keep listening, so write it last, but place it first. Now your mission, vision, and policies. The mission is why you exist today. For example, to make healthy meals affordable for students. The vision is where you're going, to be the leading student meal brand in the country. And your policies set the rules you operate by: quality standards, ethics, sustainability, and customer service commitments. Then the heart of every great plan, problem and solution. First, prove a real problem exists. Show the pain point with data or a customer story. Then present your solution and why it's better than the alternatives. Investors don't fund products, they fund solutions to painful problems. Next, showcase your product or service. Show what it looks like, how it works, key features, and your pricing. If you have a prototype or screenshots, use them. One good visual beats a paragraph of text on any slide. Now prove there's a market. Market research means real data, surveys, interviews, and industry reports. Your marketing analysis turns that into numbers, total addressable market, your target segment, and a clear customer persona. Who buys, why, and how much they'll pay. Numbers here build credibility. Guesses destroy it. Then zoom out to industry analysis. How big is the industry? Is it growing? And who are your competitors? Use tools you already know from ABIEdu lessons. Pestle for the macro forces, Porter's 5 forces for competition, and a SWOT to summarize your position. Include a competitor table, and always name your competitors. Claiming you have none is a red flag. Next, your marketing plan, how customers will actually find you. Cover the 4 Ps, product, price, place, and promotion. Be specific. Which channels, what budget, and what customer acquisition cost you expect. Now the money slides. Investment analysis states how much funding you need, what you'll spend it on, and what return investors can expect. Then business projections, a 3-year forecast of revenue, costs, and profit, plus your break-even point. Be ambitious but defensible. Every number should have a reason behind it. Almost done. Add a team slide. Investors back people as much as ideas, so show who's behind the business and why they're qualified. Then conclude. Restate the opportunity, your ask, and end with a confident call to action and your contact details. Quick recap of your deck order. Title and introduction, executive summary, mission and vision, problem and solution, product, market research and analysis, industry analysis, marketing plan, investment and projections, team, and conclusion. Follow that structure and your business plan will stand out. Thanks for watching ABIEdu Academy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more student-friendly business lessons.